Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So I've just posted a video that Windows 11's File Explorer is going to be getting faster at deleting large files, which is an improvement that's on its way. Currently being tested in the Insider program, which should be rolling out shortly to the stable version. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like more information. Now, just another video to let you know about another set of improvements that Microsoft is going to be bringing to another key component and area of Windows 11, and that's Windows updates. And because we talk about updates quite frequently and quite regularly on the channel, I thought that this warranted a video. Now, the improvements are part of the July optional bug fix C release update, which is going to be rolling out later this week, which is currently in final testing in the release preview channel. I posted on that last week. I'll leave the video linked because it does include new features, improvements, and bug fixes. So in regards to the improvements coming to Windows Update in the next bug fix update, is that, as you may well know, Windows Update progress can be quite inconsistent, and at times can seem to never properly track the ongoing download and installation. Now, Microsoft has confirmed in the release notes for the next optional update that it's going to be improving this aspect of the Windows Update process. Because if we head into the release notes and the changelog, it says Windows Update. This update improves calculation of update progress in Windows Update settings, which is good to see. So that means that the overall update process, like scans, checks, starts, downloads, percentages, and everything else, should be a lot more consistent now in the information that is provided to the user at the end of the day, which I think is a nice move. So that's the first of two improvements that are going to be coming to Windows Update. And the next one is, if we head back to the release notes, it says number 2, this update includes changes to update cleanup logic to improve system performance immediately following an update. And that's important because over and above improving the update progress logging, Microsoft is telling us here from the changelog that it's going to be bringing better performance once the update process is complete, where systems should no longer feel sluggish after concluding an update session. And I think this will be very beneficial on so-called low-budget PCs, where a better cleanup logic can be quite useful on PCs that are not very powerful. So it's nice to see, as I mentioned in the previous video, that File Explorer is getting an improvement in an area, and also nice to see that just over the next coming days, that the Windows Update process and Windows Update on Windows 11 is going to be getting these two improvements: better calculation of update progress and update to the cleanup logic to improve system performance. And that's always nice to see when we know that the system performance is going to be improved on Windows 11. And obviously when the update rolls out to the general public later this week, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.